Hey, this is Mark with AFT Construction, and we are here at Project Worth the Wait, and today we've got some garage doors installing. So let's take a look at what we got going on. We have a 5-car garage here, so a double, and a single. These are 18-foot wide, 10-foot tall, and then the small garage is a 10-foot by 10-foot. You'll see that we have wood cladding on these garage doors. This is actual red cedar. And then we have these stained. We had a custom stain made up to match the color of the roof. Once that stain was applied, then we clear coat the whole door. So each one of these panels was stained individually, and then all the panels were put together and the garage doors were assembled. So looking from the inside here, you'll see the back side of the garage doors. A lot of hinges on each panel. There's actually 11 hinges on each panel. And then up above, heavy duty springs, because these doors are super heavy, being wood construction. So actually we're just standing inside the house. This is where they stain the doors. It's a little cooler inside here, plus they wanted to try and keep dust down while they were staining them. So each panel was stained individually, and then everything was clear coated, and then the installer takes them out and puts the panels all together. So once all the panels are together, he mounts the motors. We got the side mount quiet motors, and those things are actually real nice. And once we have power hooked up, we can get these programmed and get those things in operation. Typically on a regular house, you'll see a lot of metal garage doors. These are super heavy duty wood, so let me know what you would put in your house. Would you go with the wood clad doors, or would you just stick with the standard metal door and paint? So thanks for joining us here at Worth the Wait, and stay tuned and follow and subscribe.